So this is the chest strap that you use for the full harness. So it's set up with a Chicago screw, and then the chest hook. And all this is used for is, put this in here, and then you'd Chicago screw that down. And then this hooks here so that you have something to help keep the harness on you, like that. You know, you can tighten it down just like you would with everything else. And like I said, like this is, we just put this in for all the Kickstarter orders since we're being late on the order, just like a free add-on. So this is used for that part. So if you want to use a part for converting your full harness into a loan, take this off, get that unscrewed, and then you're going to want to take one of your tethers. And we also have an upgrade kit that you can buy. It's 40 bucks, and it includes the chest strap that's long enough to make this work for pretty much anybody. But if you don't want to buy that, you can also just use this tether. All you have to do is unhook all the parts from it. That. And then you hook that in here. Like that. Put your Chicago screw in. And then this will come around. See, but if you're a bigger guy like me, this is a lot longer than this strap is. But all you have to do is like you could link a couple of these together with a couple Chicago screws, or with like this buckle. Like you put this buckle on and put this around. Like that. Then you've got plenty of length. Or if you don't want to use this buckle from your tether, you can also just use a couple Chicago screws. That's what makes the upgrade kit really nice, is instead of taking apart the other half of your harness, you just have two longer straps. And I'll show you an example of the upgrade kit if we have one around here. That's kind of why we included some extra hardware too, so that you can do all of this without having to completely take everything apart. So you put a Chicago screw there and a Chicago screw there, and then you've got plenty of length. So that's how you do that. And then as for like a upgrade kit, basically it comes with a 24 hole strap. It's like this one is a 16 hole, and this one is a 12 hole. So it comes with two 24 hole straps so that you can easily convert both sides into a loan harness, and you don't have to put any straps together. And it comes with 4 Chicago screws for each strap, and it comes with the hook for each strap. So that way, all you have to do is like undo the back pieces, and then you don't even have to take any of this off. You just add the straps and call it good. So I hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have any questions about it, and then I'll just finish answering your email. We can work everything else from there.